So let's talk about Fireplace today. So here's your fireplace. Here's the cleanout. So this is where you brush your ashes down. Well, eventually you need to clean this. Don't just think the ashes are magically going to disappear. This is a rancher. It has a basement. Downstairs in the basement, there's another little door you open up. Well, in this house, when I opened this, pull the cover off, the ashes actually were all the way up to here. Unbelievable. Probably years of no one cleaning this out. So I got about a good 6 feet down and probably another 3 more feet to clean out. Just to let you know, clean this out once a year at least. Don't let years go by and then decide to clean it out. Just makes it much more harder. And cleaning this out, I found Q-tips, charcoal. I guess whoever lived here before just figured they burn anything and everything. Don't do that. Keep it clean so you don't have to go through the headache that I'm going through now. After this, I'll be cleaning the brick. So I've been about 45 minutes cleaning the soot off the brick. It is hard work. Been using some Dawn this brush, and I emptied this bucket about 4 times now. If you see in the beginning of the video how black it was, and it's a little progress, but it's not easy. So this is the best the Dawn did. I mean, for what it was, it did a lot of work. It took off most of the soot, but if you have any ideas, leave me a comment. I've heard baking soda is one way of doing it. So now I'm down in the basement. So this is the clean out that I was talking about for the fireplace. So this is something you should check once a year if your fireplace has a clean out. And look at all those ashes. So that you should clean out. I'm gonna get the vacuum and I'll vacuum that out. So there you go. It's nice and clean now. Until next year.